Welcome to the dashboard area on your blog. My name's James and I'm going to talk through this area and how you can configure and set it up in more detail. Now, the dashboard is a really powerful area that you can use to get an overview of what's happening on your blog, to quickly post your blog, and also to read interesting news and information and review drafts and so on. First up, let's have a look at the default components. So up here we've got our right now elements. Now, at a glance, you can see that we've got one post, one page, two categories. Now, let's say we wanted to edit them. Well, it's very simple. We just click on that number, and I've opened it in a separate tab there. You see we're able to go and edit our pages. Exactly the same is true with categories. We can change these different categories, edit them as much as we wish, and the same goes for comments. You can even go and change your theme and change the widgets that are used on your theme from this area as well. In the top right hand side we have the quick press functionality, and quick press is a fabulous little feature that allows you to very simply write a post. Just enter a title, enter some content, and you can even upload some documents or whatever to the site from there. For example, let's just pop up this one. There we go. It's the post. Now, of course, this works on a code basis, but that's okay because you can go back and edit it in HTML. What you see is what you get. Edit it anytime you want. Cat. And publish without even leaving this page. Going down, if you have any drafts, then you'd be able to see them here. That is posts that haven't been published. If you had any comments, you'd be able to see them here. If you have any incoming links, so that is other sites linking to your blog, then you'll be able to see them here, and this is determined by Google Blog Search. And finally, as you can see, we've got some WordPress information and news down here. Now, it may be the case that your blog has different user information down here or it doesn't have these components. However, if they are there, you're able to click on Configure and decide what actual feed you want to go there. So for example, let's say that you wanted to actually see the EduBlogs feed. Just change that to there. It's EduBlogs. Click Submit. And as a result, you can now see latest news coming from that site. And there's no reason that you can't use this to subscribe to headlines from a local news site or some other blogs that you might be interested in. And you can do exactly the same with this area down here, other WordPress news. As you can see, just cancel that there. Moving up, however, you don't actually have to have these components in place. If you click on Screen Options, you're presented with the opportunity to simply remove them. So say, for example, you just want to make this totally functional and you don't want any news and information. Just click there. And, as you can see, they've gone. No longer. Now let's say, for example, that you didn't actually want to see incoming links either. Untick that. No more incoming links. We'll send that back up. And what's more, now that we've done that, we're also able to rearrange these however we want. So let's say we didn't actually want to use quick press that often and we want to see our drafts first. We simply drag quick press down here. Oops, daisy. Okay. Or should I say we drag recent drafts over there. There we go. That's how it works. And there we go. So there's your dashboard. Thank you very much for your time. Happy blogging.